Everyone, so we are learning about thyroid carcinoma. So can you guess which is this thyroid carcinoma? You can see the thyroid follicles and all, and also here you can see the capsule, but there is a break in the capsule. So you can see that something is mushrooming out from this capsule, isn't it? There is something protruding from that. So there is capsular invasion. This is capsular invasion. And you can see in this picture here, you can see this is the blood vessel. So inside the blood vessel you can see the tumor cells. So this is vascular invasion. Vascular invasion, you can see this. Okay, so what we are dealing with, it is the follicular carcinoma. What we are learning now, so follicular carcinoma, and you should remember that you can also see Hurthle cells. You can see that Hurthle cells here. Hurthle cells also you can see in this follicular carcinoma. So very important to remember that if you are doing an FNAC, you cannot differentiate between whether it is a follicular adenoma or follicular carcinoma. Doing an FNAC, if you are doing FNAC, you cannot differentiate between follicular adenoma or follicular carcinoma. So when it will be follicular carcinoma, what are the criteria? There should be capsular invasion, vascular invasion. Then you can say it is follicular carcinoma. So by FNAC, you can just say that it is a follicular neoplasm. You cannot say whether it is benign or malignant. Okay, for that you have to look for the histology. You have to check whether there is capsular invasion or vascular invasion, like that. And this Hurthle cells, you should remember that Hurthle cells you can see in follicular neoplasm. That means in the benign type and also in the malignant type, and also you can see them in Hashimoto's thyroiditis. Hashimoto's thyroiditis. So these all are the Hurthle cells. So I hope it is clear. You should remember Hurthle cells, and you should remember that in FNAC you cannot differentiate. Differentiating feature is this vascular invasion and capsular invasion. Now little bit of theory. So you should know which gene is getting mutated here. That is RAS gene is getting mutated. RAS mutation. And the metastasis occurs by which route? It is hematogenous route. Okay. And name the marker of recurrence of this follicular carcinoma. So recurrence you can know by looking serum thyroglobulin. Serum thyroglobulin will be increased. So it is usually occurring in elderly, that is from 40 to 50 years, mostly in females. So these all are the points to be remembered. RAS mutation, hematogenous spread, serum thyroglobulin, and that's all. Thank you.